Hey everybody, how we doing? Noah Luke here with MarineMax in St. Pete, and we have a treat for you today. We're standing on board one of the legacy models from Intrepid power boats. Many of you might not know that we are now stocking Intrepid power boats throughout MarineMax's inventory. Today we're on the 375 NOMAD SE, one of our favorite Intrepid models to date. So we're gonna kick things off a little differently. Traditionally, we like to start off in the stern of the boat, but today with Intrepid on one of these newer models, at least new to us and MarineMax, we're gonna start off in the bow. So of course you have your windlass anchor latch, and important to know that there is backing on all of these struts. Finished fiberglass underneath the hatch here, which shows the Intrepid quality. I absolutely love the integrated bow seating. I'm sure many of you have seen my other videos that essentially what we're doing is we're creating square footage in a 375 or 38-foot center console boat. Instead of having those pods that come out here and they have the seating on top of it, it's recessed into the bow and into the gunnels, creating a bigger party atmosphere up front. Diamond stitching throughout the seats. Love the little trickster here. Rod holders. Of course, you do have your backrests that pop up right here. They are on actuators, as well as this table does come up from the floor and allows you to have a dining area. As I make my way to the middle of the boat here, absolutely love that we have a spot for all of our dock lines, so you can pre-tie them, have them ready to go, and tell your passengers, if I'm the captain, hey, dock lines are right here, pre-tied, ready to go. Of course, a small trash can here. There is an area for a cooler. And we'll get to this part in a second, but one of the coolest things about Intrepid you're gonna see is a one-piece glass system on this 375 Nomad. It is really cool to not have a structure right here that hurts your line of visibility. So let's make our way into the helm. You're gonna see that right down below me is a platform on an actuator. So if you are a shorter person and need to see above the helm, you can bring that platform up. So beginning with the helm here, you're gonna notice that, hey, this is a pretty blank canvas for what we have. Yes, we left the option open if you're a Simrad guy, if you're a Garmin guy or a Raymarine guy. All of this is blank. It's your canvas ready to go to include what you want to, as well as stereo system. We get it. Not all stereos are the same. Some people like 10 subwoofers on their boat. Some people like no audio at all because they like to enjoy the ocean. Simply put in what you want here. We can do it all at the dealer level at MarineMax. So at the helm here, of course, you have your Mercury binnacles, which are the newer style here. All of these, of course, are electronic Bluetooth to the motor. Joystick on the left right here, and of course, a bow thruster. I'll tell you, when we were getting off the floating dock today, we probably have a 15-ish mile-an-hour wind blowing us on the dock. Between the joystick and the bow thruster, we were able to get off in between two boats pretty easy. So Mercury vessel view right here, that gives you all of your engine data. When we are running out today, we loved the fact that I'd say the boat ran at 4,000 RPMs, running right around 39 to 41 miles an hour. So a great cruising speed where you're really not working the engines. Top end speed we were able to achieve on this boat was 67, so she is quick. Behind me, gosh, I just love the upholstery here. Continuing on to the bow, everything is matching. Diamond stitching, great bolsters. You know, there's no squeaking. It's not hard to bring these down. It just feels like a quality product. So I know we already touched base on the glass here and how it's a one-piece system, but notice how we don't have any aluminum piping throughout the boat that's structural. Of course, you have this for a handrail, but Intrepid does a really good job at incorporating these really strong fiberglass tops here and structures. So it doesn't look like an afterthought. It's not cheap, it's strong, and it's built into the boat. I absolutely love that. Stepping into the stern here of the boat, obviously we have triple V10 400s. We already talked about performance. It's a rocket ship. It does great on fuel. You do have 300 gallons of fuel on board available to use. When I'm in the back here and I'm fishing, which 2 aquarium style live wells, really cool here. Plenty of live well space for some of your bigger baits if you're a competitive tournament fishing guy. Of course, if you're just having fun on a day out on the water, plenty of bait well space. Love the fact that you can be back here fishing, blood, guts, catching tunas, getting them over the side of the boat. There's blood everywhere. Notice how your upholstery is not getting messed up. You simply pop this and pop this down. Look how cool of a system that is to be able, on a $1 million boat, to keep your upholstery nice and tucked away when you're ready to fish. I think that's the coolest thing. So, other than that, as we make our way to the back here, I want you to notice all of the technicalities of the boat, the rigging, the stainless steel that they use, the bolt action rifle style locking mechanism that they use on the swim patio door. Obviously, this is the SE, or the side entry version of the Intrepid. So everything that we see here is a high quality, it sets the standard. Intrepid has a cult following, it does. People have owned Intrepids for years, and the brand's here to stay, and the quality is here to represent that they're willing to keep it around for a long time. Stepping inside the small bathroom area on this 375, this is actually an abundant amount of space. I'm 6'2", still have headroom, plenty of space to use the bathroom, and of course, freshwater sink. In the event that you need to get to all of your switching, your wiring, batteries, look at how clean Intrepid does all of their work. Something that's new to me, or I haven't seen too much with the other brands out on the water, is this right here, this incorporated heavy use, heavy duty dive ladder that comes up and extends over the side of the boat. It's traditional for us to see a ladder where we have to take it from a seat or take it from the bow of the boat where it's a separate place and you have to tell somebody, hey, go get the ladder. It's really cool that it's right here incorporated and you don't have to move it around. So I'm gonna close that up here. Below me right here is gonna be all of your pumps. If you're a boat owner, you know that, hey, this is a spot that you are going to need to get to. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So double latches here, as you can see, they're friction, so it doesn't come down on you if you're in rough seas, but finished fiberglass throughout the boat. Everything is fairly easy to get to. I could fit in there if I needed to. Below me right here is just some storage for a fish box or ice, but this station right back here is pretty neat. We're gonna have a Corian countertop, freshwater sink, and a small cutting station here. And then finally below me, this drawer does pull out and you do have a full-size Frigid Rigid cooler, which if anybody knows boating and fishing, they know Frigid Rigid is one of the best around. You're gonna have ice in there for weeks at a time. Pull this down, pop this latch right here. Love this little latch when you're in some heavy seas and the boat's rocking and rolling or bouncing around. This isn't gonna come up and flap because of that. Of course, storage, tackle drawers right down below. So I believe we've covered almost everything on the Intrepid. Maybe forgot to mention that we do have a extended shade that comes out with the press of a button. Other than that, there's gonna be a ton of questions. Obviously, MarineMax is new to stocking Intrepids throughout the country. Intrepid has a lot of good things on the way. There's some new stuff coming out. If you have any questions, come see us at MarineMax St. Pete, or you can reach me at 813-277-8105. Thanks for tuning in.